Place a drip tray on the table. Take out GLAZER Ice Press. Plug in the ice press, and the light comes on. Turn the handle in the direction indicated to unlock, then pull the ice press open. Presence a breathing light when pulled apart. Choose the desired ice inserts and attach them to the top and bottom parts of the ice press. Please note that the ice press needs to be unlocked at all times when in use. Place the prepared ice cube in the center of the ice press. Position the top part of the ice press, aligning it with the holes. Press and hold the top button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns red. The ice press will start heating and automatically melt the ice. The melting process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. When the top and bottom parts of the ice press fully close together, the light will turn blue, indicating the process is complete. Prepare a container to store the ice. Open the top part of the ice press and use the ice tongs to transfer the ice to the container. To press a different shape of ice, simply switch to the desired inserts. GLAZER Ice Press supports continuous ice pressing. When finished, unplug the ice press and allow it to cool down. Clean the ice press and store it safely in a dry place.